how are you? Well, you're home, you've got time on your hands, and you're thinking, might as well cook something really good. Or alternatively, you've got no time on your hands, you're homeschooling, the kids are under your feet, the dropkick husband won't leave the house. I'm here to help because this is Cooking with Sam. That's right, it's like cooking with Nigella, but without the sex appeal. So today I'm going to show you how to cook two classic French dishes. Duck à l'orange, followed by tarte. It's a variation on tartatin. It was taught to me by the great French comedian Jacques Tati. You know, a tartin is when you flip the apple pie over. Tati is to flip it over, flip it back again, fall sideways, drop the thing on the floor, put it back on the table, and pretend that it never happened at all. And just as importantly, I'll be doing some wonderful wine pairings with these dishes we're preparing. And gratuitously, I happen to have 4 great wines up there, which happen to be 2 paddocks. What a coincidence. So, let's start with the duck à l'orange. Very excited about this, but... Oh dear, that's what I seem to have forgotten to buy a duck. Well, never mind, let's think of something else. All is well, I've prepared something that's possibly even better. Cheese and crackers. Now with crackers, it's very important that you line them up like so. Nothing screams, I don't care, more than untidy crackers. Now for the most difficult part of the evening. What wine to pair with this delicious dinner, or duck à l'orange for vegans, as I like to call it? Well, I've selected a 2 Paddocks Picnic 2018. It's a wine that has a lot of admirers. I actually think if you're in lockdown, and most of us of course are, that it's actually a good idea to drink less, but drink better. Drink a good bottle of wine. This is a good bottle of wine. You can tell if you're drinking too much bad wine because you can't follow the plot on Netflix, or you get into silly arguments with yourself. So let's have a look at it, shall we? Now, we find it's a vibrant, deep, ruby red colour, like the Maharaja's jewels. Bright lifted red fruit on the nose with some typical Central Otago intensity. And lift. Oh! I'm going to say fresh red cherries, a little bit of rosehip syrup. It's vibrant and balanced, a little bit of oak, some toasted herbs. Just crying out for lamb cutlets or duck à l'orange. Oh yeah. Well, I'll settle for cheese. Bon appetit.